Good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everyone presented here knows the reason to get together in such a big crowd. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. We hoist our national flag, then give a salute and sing national anthem song. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August because India got freedom on the night of 14th August 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had given a speech on Independence Day in New Delhi just after India got freedom, when the people of the whole world were sleeping. People in India got struggling and were working to get freedom and life from British rule. Now, after independence, India has become the largest democratic country in the world and the best example of unity in diversity. In past years, our great Indian leaders had given sacrifices with the courage in the heart to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing the comfort of life. We can never forget the sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their life at a young age just for their country. Gandhiji was a great Indian personality. He taught many big lessons to all the Indians about truth and non-violence, and finally India got freedom on 15th August after so many years of struggle. There is a huge celebration takes places in New Delhi at Rajput every year where the national anthem is sung after the flag hoisting by Prime Minister. Also a salute through 21 guns firing with the national anthem. Showering of flowers through helicopter is given to the national flag. All the forces take part in parades and give the salute to our President and Prime Minister. On Independence Day, there is a national holiday and everyone celebrate Independence Day from their own places by hosting the flags in school, offices or society. Everyone comes together to celebrate this day and organize a cultural program. We spread a message of living together happily. New India is a mission to take our country forward and resolve to build a new India. With these contributions, India will be the power in the coming years. Our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, called the children of India to dream to build a strong nation with aim and perseverance. Indeed, this is not a word of a single man. This is word of 1 billion soul. Jai Hind. Thank you.